Whenever you want to copy the data from web and paste it in Excel, the easiest way is that copy and paste from the web, Excel web, so that you can take care of the formatting everything, right? For example, this is the data I have. If I copy and paste it in Excel, the whole formatting will get disturbed, right? As you can see that, and again, everything got disturbed, right? And again, I have to readjust everything. Right? Instead of that, what you can do is you can just go to the source. For example, go to this web and copy this source and go to Excel. In the Excel, you have an option called in the data menu. You have an option called from web. Have a click on it, and you can just simply paste this value. For example, you can paste this address here and just select go, right? What it will happen, it will go to the source, and whatever the data we have, it will copy paste the data. And then you have options actually, like you can put it a rich format or full HTML formatting and all that. Let's say you can say that full HTML formatting, give okay, and give import. When you import it, so you can see that it is asking that where you wanted to paste the data. You can say I'm gonna paste it in right in the first column. You can give okay, and within few seconds it will get pasted. The beauty is that whenever in the Wikipedia the data get changed, your Excel also will get changed accordingly. Number one. Number two is that whatever the direct links we have, instead of copy pasting the hyperlinks and all that, you have directly link all the links here, right? And then you can see here the language. See the data, it has come very nicely, right? Again, if you wanted to do and paste it somewhere else, or you wanted to carry out any analysis, you can do very easily, right? So this is the advantage of having the data from the web and pasting through the data web. So it is very easy, and we can take care the formatting, and we can take care the dynamic values very well. So I hope you like this video. Please do share, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.